Okay, Susan Niczowski is back from Summer Fresh with something brand new. Very cool idea, these heat and eat bowls.
Thank you. Yeah, new and exciting heat and eat bowls. We've got heat and eat vegetable bowls and heat and eat grain bowls, which we're excited about. You know, it's hard to come home, make up your vegetables and have a great dinner or lunch.
Yeah, because you guys are great for snacks on the go, but also, yeah, like you say, for when you get home.
Yeah, these are easy. They come in these beautiful bowls. All you have to do is peel. We've got them in 4 exciting flavors.
So I'm just going to tilt that. So yeah, it's all prepped there for you.
Yeah, so this one is our kale and butternut squash. They're available in the deli at Walmart and Longo's now. Hopefully we'll get more listings. And if these scissors work, we're good. Okay, so we open up the packages.
With the dullest scissors in the world.
Okay. All right, so we got our quinoa, so you add it to the bowl. It's simple.
And sorry, the price point on this size?
$4.99.
Okay.
Yep. So it's
economical.
A great value. Yeah.
And what's the shelf life?
From date of production, we've got 21 days. And you've got a couple of weeks when you bring it home.
Yeah.
Our dressing.
Oh, this looks good.
Yeah, easy, simple.
Yeah.
Toss it up.
Yep. And it looks very filling, but you can add other items to it too.
Yeah, you can. You put the plastic back on, you zap it in the microwave for 2 to 3 minutes, depending on your microwave, and you've got this wonderful meal. And for TV, we've expedited it, but I've got the kale and butternut squash, which is easy and simple. So all you have to do is add, you can eat it as is, or you can add beef to it, or shrimp, and you've got a well-balanced meal. So I've added shrimp to this one. Then I've got the sriracha quinoa, which is another great one. And I can add beef to it. You add your 3 ounces of beef, so it's simple and easy. They're so simple and they're so great.
Now I can't decide.
Which one do you want? Yeah, and we also have heat and eat grain bowls. We've got 4 exciting flavors. A farro risotto, a 3-bean vegetarian chili. I've got a Thai coconut rice and a curry quinoa. And these are even easier. All you have to do is peel back the film.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to cut it back.
It doesn't work on live TV, of course.
Of course not. But you peel it back.
But it works in your kitchen.
Yep. You peel it back.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, simple. And look at this farro risotto. You don't have to sit there making risotto for a couple of hours. Yeah, so you peel this back, you zap it in the microwave.
Can you put it in another bowl so people think you did it for hours?
Of course, I do it all the time at my dinner parties and for dinner. You peel it back, you heat in the microwave, again, for 2 to 3 minutes, depending on your microwave. And you got these 4 exciting flavors. I actually got an email from a friend of mine a couple days ago saying, oh my God, you're saving my life. It's so easy. Really? Zap it in the microwave and off you go. This is a farro risotto. We've got a vegetarian chili, and you can add ground beef if you want or chicken to it.
Right.
I've got, we've got chicken here, and then I've got the coconut rice, which is yummy, great with shrimp.
Yeah, that would be.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, put her in there.
Oh, shrimp's flying. Yeah. And then our 4th flavor is the all-time favorite, which is mine, is farro risotto. So fresh mushrooms with risotto in a creamy cheese dressing. Really fun, really easy. And again, you can add your own protein.
Yeah, that looks delicious.
Isn't it simple? And you create a meal within 5 minutes.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. Now, up here, is this more of the...
Yeah, these are the heat and eat grain bowls.
Yes.
And then we've got the heat and eat vegetable bowls available in your refrigerated deli section.
Wow.
Yeah.
Just amazing. Okay, now it's time for the Bob Taste Test.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah.
What do you feel like? We've got kale and butternut squash with salmon.
Yeah.
I've got cabbage and carrots with prime rib. And I've got chicken with kale and risotto. We've got shrimp, farro risotto, my all-time favorite. Vegetarian chili. Can't get enough vegetarian products out there.
Yeah, I know. I'm supposed to get more veggies in my diet. Yeah.
Oh,
I know I'm
veggies
stalling.
in.
I think I'm going to go with the shrimp.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
The kale and butternut squash.
Shrimp.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's got a nice sweet dressing with the quinoa.
Yep.
So you get a great source of protein. Good? Delish?
Wow. And again, very filling.
It is.
Yeah.
It is.
Well, that's filled our time too. Thank you, Susan. So, at your favorite.